Special Automotive Equipment RTAMG. Meet the Armored Multipurpose Vehicle 59095. This promising armored vehicle is designed for transportation of personnel and cargo, as well as for mounting special equipment. One of the key elements of this invincible Titan is its armored body, made of sheets of armor steel, thanks to which the vehicle has ballistic protection class BR5, as per GOST standard 34282. The armored vehicle 59095 protects the crew from explosions of up to 6 kilos in TNT equivalent occurring under the wheels or the bottom of the vehicle. Inside the vehicle there are anti-crash seats with 4-point safety belts. Under the armored hood there is a 312 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine with an intercooler, manufactured in Russia. The vehicle easily negotiates various obstacles: road inclination of up to 30 degrees, slopes of up to 20 degrees, vertical walls 0.5 meters high, trenches 0.6 meters wide, unprepared fords 1.75 meters deep. The vehicle can transport up to 10 fully equipped servicemen, including the driver. It is worth noting that the armored vehicle is capable of tugging articulated systems of up to 5 tons. With its total mass of 14.5 tons, the vehicle is nevertheless capable of accelerating to over 100 km per hour. Its estimated fuel distance is 1,000 km. The standard configuration of the vehicle includes an electromechanical lifting device with a maximum traction force of 8 tons, with the rope measuring 30 meters, air conditioning and heating of the interior, a central tire inflation system. For safe transportation, the vehicle may be packed in protective film for protection of the paint and lacquer coating, headlights and windows. This is a showcase example of harmony between beauty and functionality, realized in a masterpiece of power in all its glory. For details, feel free to contact us on the phone numbers in the description of this video.